Hey, quick question for you. What if I told you that almost everything you do online right now, videos, images, websites, podcasts, content, could be done from one single dashboard with no monthly fees? Yeah, I know. That already sounds too good to be true. But stick with me, because today I want to show you something that's honestly changing the way creators, freelancers, and even agencies run their entire business. This is CogneX AI. Now, let's be real for a second. AI is no longer a nice-to-have. It's not optional anymore. If you're creating content, running a brand, or trying to make money online, AI is the fuel behind everything. But here's the problem. To actually compete, you're probably paying for ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, video editors, voice tools, website builders, email software, and before you know it, you're burning $500 to $1,000 a month just to keep everything running. And that's exactly where CogneX AI Unlimited comes in. This is an all-in-one AI platform that combines 30-plus premium AI tools into one super dashboard at a one-time price. No subscriptions, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. With CogneX AI, you can write content like ChatGPT, design visuals like Canva and Midjourney, create videos like InVideo, Premiere Pro, and Pictory, build websites like Wix and ClickFunnels, clone voices like 11 Labs, launch AI podcasts, faceless videos, avatars, reels, shorts, all of it. Basically, you replace an entire team. And here's what I really like about it. This isn't just for using yourself. You can actually sell services with it. You can create videos for clients, build websites, offer AI content services on Fiverr or Upwork, run a full marketing agency, or automate a side hustle while you sleep. No writers, no editors, no designers, no headaches. The workflow is stupid simple. You literally choose what you want to create, a video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a website, click once, and let AI do the heavy lifting. There are 75-plus AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, SEO, and marketing. You get cloud storage, client dashboards, project sharing, and even drag-and-drop websites with free hosting. And this is important. Seriously, there's no basic plan here. This is the Unlimited edition. Everything unlocked, everything included, unlimited usage. They're claiming it replaces over $6,000 a year in AI subscriptions. And honestly, if you're already paying for even half of those tools, that math adds up fast. So who is this for? If you're a YouTuber, a content creator, a freelancer, a coach, an agency owner, or someone who just wants to future-proof their income, this makes sense. And yes, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can actually test it, use it, and see if it fits your workflow. No risk, no weird catch. Look, tools like this don't come around often. And once this launch ends, they've already said this is switching to a high monthly fee. So if you've been waiting for a sign to simplify your tools, cut your expenses, and scale faster with AI, this might be it. Check the link below, take a closer look at CogneX AI, and decide for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.